So here's how to order Temu, United Kingdom. Before we start, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle, or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. And as you can see, we're already on the Temu website. Here, go over to this section and you can click on Change Country or Region. After that, from the country or region, go ahead and search for UK or type in United Kingdom and click on it from the options. After that, click on Switch to United Kingdom to confirm. And as you can see, the country on our Temu account has been changed. Now, just go ahead and move on to the home page of Temu. Here, you can select any product that you want to order. So, I'll go ahead and choose this product as an example. After that, click on Add to Cart over here. Once done, click on Go to Cart on the right side. And on this page, just click on Checkout. After that, you will need to sign in to your account using your UK phone number or by selecting Google, Facebook, or Apple account. I will select Google and click on Continue. Now, just put in your UK shipping address right over here. And once you're done filling in all the details, and click on Continue to Payment on the right. And that is exactly how to order Temu from United Kingdom.